Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey there, it's time for Icrt客家風 on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine Lim Zepsiu, along with Alice, this month teaching you a situation where you're going to have a meal together because maybe you're done with something, you have time, you haven't seen someone in a long time, and that is 一起吃飯吧。
鄉下來去食飯啦。
鄉下來去食飯啦。就是一起去吃飯吧。鄉下一起 together 吃飯 that means have a meal. All right, let's serve this edition to students out there or people that needs to take a test and they're always busy getting ready for their test and finally they have some time. 考完要幹嘛? What are you doing after the test?
考試愛做乜嘅？
考試愛做乜嘅？考試就是
考完了。
考完了哦，試就是耍。
哎，对，结束了，考完结束了。
Okay, 考 actually means a test. 試 means after the test. Okay, what are you gonna do? 做乜嘅？
就是干嘛啦？
对，要干嘛？做乜嘅？做乜嘅？这以前周杰伦也有唱啊，在他歌里面。
对，海陆腔做乜嘅？
哦，对，还有另外一个腔调，对不对？就是做乜嘅。That's a different dialect for what are you gonna do? And together you might just go, hey, let's all get together. 大家约一下吧。
大家來約一下。
大家來約一下。大家就是大家 ，everybody 約一下，約一下啦，約兩下啦，約三下啦，都可以啦。
約五下了。
約一下 that means let's get together, okay, for at least once. 約在一起要幹嘛呢？那就是吃飯咯。當然吃完飯還可以去做很多其他的事情，對不對？不過先去吃個飯，那就一起吃個飯吧。Let's go have a meal together.
記住，鄉下來去食飯啦。
記住，鄉下來去食飯啦。記住，那就。這還蠻口語化的哈。記住 that means well then let's。
鄉下來去食飯啦。
鄉下來去食飯啦。Well, why don't we just all get together? Basically, that's what it means. Very good. Okay, let's review these terms like 要幹嘛 What are we gonna do?
做乜嘅？
做乜嘅 or 做乜解？
做乜解？
做乜嘅 or 做乜解？ All right, and how about let's get together? 約一下。
約一下。
約一下 Okay, that means let's get together for once. 考試的考，我們順便也教一下大家。考不是在罵髒話哦。考 that means a test. All right, it's all about having a meal together. 一起吃飯吧。
鄉下來去食飯啦。
鄉下來去食飯啦。And now you know. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.